how to download private YouTube videos. Whether you're trying to save a video for offline viewing or need a copy of your own private content, we've got you covered. Remember, it's essential to respect copyright laws and only download videos you have permission to access. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to ensure that you have permission to download a private video. This is crucial as downloading content without authorization violates YouTube's terms of service and potentially the law. Step 1 is getting permission. If you're not the owner of the video, reach out to the person who is and ask for consent to download the video. Once you have the green light, you can proceed to the next step, which is using YouTube Premium. If you're trying to download your own private video, one of the easiest ways is through YouTube's Premium. And that's all, or that's how you can download. But be aware of using third-party software or services as they can pose security risk or infringe on copyright. Always use trusted and legal methods to download videos. If the owner or the video owner decide and agrees to make it public, you can use a trusted online video downloader or simply download it directly from YouTube. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.